Zion is famous for its red canyons, towering cliffs, and diverse wildlife. One of the most striking features of the park is its deep and steep canyons.
Popular areas such as Zion Canyon, Narrows, and Angel's Landing are known for their natural beauty. Hiking routes in Zion Canyon are offered at different difficulty levels and views.
The park is home to various ecosystems. Zion is a sacred place for Native American tribes.
There are various places in the region that reflect historical traces and indigenous culture.
The park is an ideal place for many activities,
such as camping, mountain climbing, hiking,
nature walks, and photography.
Bus tours are also available to explore the canyons.